Exploring, where, a deep dive into relative adverbs. Hello, English explorers. Today, we're going to set sail on an exciting journey into the world of relative adverbs, focusing specifically on where and how it's used in relation to places. We'll also cover some additional resources for further study to make sure you're completely equipped to use this versatile adverb like a pro. Before we dive in, let's take a quick refresher on relative adverbs. Relative adverbs are words that introduce a relative clause. They include where, when, and why. But today we're focusing on where. Now, on to the main event. Where is commonly used as a relative adverb to introduce a clause that gives information about a place or location. For example, consider the sentence, "Do you know the park where we used to play?" Here, where introduces the clause, "We used to play," which tells us more about the park. Practice is key when it comes to mastering the use of where. Try incorporating it into your daily conversations or writing. For example, if you're talking about your favorite restaurant, you could say, "This is the restaurant where I had the best pasta ever." We know that the journey of mastering English doesn't end here. While this video aims to cover the basics, you might want to dig deeper. Here are a few additional resources for further study. 1. Grammar books. Some of the best grammar books include Understanding and Using English Grammar by Betty Azar and English Grammar in Use by Raymond Murphy. These books offer comprehensive coverage of all aspects of English grammar, including relative adverbs. 2. Online exercises. Various online platforms offer exercises to practice English grammar. Just search for relative adverbs exercises, and you'll find a treasure trove of practice materials. 3. English language learning apps. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Rosetta Stone also offer units on relative clauses and relative adverbs, which could prove beneficial. 4. Find a language partner. Practicing with a native speaker is always helpful. You can find language partners on websites such as Tandem or HelloTalk. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the relative adverb, where, for places. We hope this video has been informative and will aid you in your English language journey. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time, happy studying.